Wow. That was great.
Yeah. Arthur even got the weight right. I mean, CZs are heavier than diamonds. He must have shaved the backings.
I'm telling you, man, he knows what he's doing.
Those new?
Mm-hmm. So it looks like LA Sanitation redid all the plumbing in Brock's neighborhood. I guess celebrities can't go with a blacktop toilet.
You gonna answer it?
I'll answer it later.
Yeah.
Hey, dude, be careful.
It's not even real.
Just put it down, please. Okay. I got it.
You got that iron?
Yeah, it's there.
You don't own an iron?
No, I don't own an iron.
Just let me do it. Just give it to me.
Huh?
Burn the house down with that thing.